Hi, Abdi. This is oorNews. So if you look ahead me, I've got a steam circle. Okay, if you look to the other side, okay, I've got Benny. This is far and fae. This is the northeast of Scotland. And I'm speaking of news, Doric. If you don't know anything about it, it's Scots. It's a type of Scots. And what I'm doing with oorNews, okay, it's a news website. You can go on here, get hundreds of articles about anything and nothing. But what I'm doing is bigging his data set to train AI in Doric, because it's not half agreed at it. Get in here, look, try out, get like some chat GPT or anything like that. Get it D in Doric, it's nice. And it wouldn't be on ease until we train it, and later it through to speak Doric. Because what here future, if we didn't need to speak English at a time, and we can just hail our lives in Doric, and we hate to do it before Doric does it. Say, join in with it, let me think about the Doric and the Scots in it. We can change it. And I'm trying to mark if it's a sensible technical Scots. It's not something we had before. You can look at folk of ettle at doing it, but just join in with it, and it's a bright future. And we've the northeast of Scotland's nae gone nae and nae gone to AI that doesn't ken anything about us and doesn't ken foot to speak Doric. It kens foot to speak anything else. So fit line, and enjoy the bonny 6th of Aberdeenshire.